Hi, my name is Adam Funk, and I'm a birth injury lawyer in Houston, Texas. Today, I want to talk to you about forceps and facial paralysis. Forceps are essentially giant spoons that are used during labor and delivery. Typically, what ends up happening is that an obstetrician will use these big kind of metal spoons as medical devices and stick them in the birthing canal. Using these two spoons on either side of the baby's head, the doctor is able to extract the baby in certain situations. And forceps are used in live deliveries nationwide almost every single day. Typically, they do not cause any type of issue whatsoever. However, if they're used negligently, then they can cause what's called facial paralysis. Facial paralysis is when a nerve on the face of a newborn gets stretched or compressed in a way where it stops working. You'll know if your baby has some sort of facial paralysis by seeing just signs of it on his or her face. For example, if her eyelid doesn't pick up as normal as it should, or if one side of the face is drooping while the other side is still facially intact, then there might be some facial paralysis there. Ways that an obstetrician can actually cause facial paralysis are numerous, but the main ones are really that the obstetrician used way too much force, or, for example, if the obstetrician did not put the forceps in the right spots on the face. These are all very important factors, and you can determine whether or not malpractice occurred by talking to a birth injury lawyer, such as myself. Treatment options for facial paralysis are various and many, though. First and foremost, I would definitely go to a pediatric neurologist who can at least test the facial nerves to see what kind of damage has actually occurred. After that, there are various types of therapies that can be employed and medications in order to get your baby better. If you have more questions about forceps use and facial paralysis, give me a ring. I am happy to talk to you. My name is Adam Funk, and I'm a birth injury lawyer in Houston, Texas.